Hello Gemini, and welcome to your reading for the possibilities that are coming your way. Remember that this reading does not necessarily have any specific date on it. Whenever this message finds you, and whenever you find this message, then this reading will be for you at this given time. You are starting with the dominant energy of the drumroll. Wow, the Six of Cups. So for a group of you guys, the past is here to say hello. How are you? I've missed you. I've thought a lot about you. I miss you regardless of how things seem or what happened in the past. Okay, so that's for a few of you guys. For others of you guys, this is just a brand new union, okay? It's sort of like those soulmate type of connections, those soulmate type of unions that are unexplainable. They're so deep. They're so kind of like, they're even kind of like those type of connections that you cannot put into words. You know, it's sort of like you guys feel at ease with one another. You feel like they're family. You feel like they're kind of like your own vibration, but you can't just put it into words. It's sort of like you guys have all of these differences. You share a lot of differences, but underneath all of these differences, there's a very strong bond. So a very strong bond, a very strong connection is definitely showing up for some of you guys. Okay, now I do see there's going to be a lot of socializing. So this is going to be a very social week, maybe networking, some kind of event that you're invited to, something like that. But some kind of social energy is showing up here. Now I do see the sign of Capricorn, also the sign of Aries. I do also see someone coming in with an apology or a gesture of love, whether this is you or the other person who wants to make this offer. There is somebody here making a genuine offer. Somebody here, you know, this week it's a week of proposal. Somebody here is going to propose something to you. You're going to propose something to somebody else, whatever the case may be. But there's someone here coming in with an offer, a gesture of love. If this is romantic related, it's a gesture of love. If this is career related, family related, it's an opportunity to open up the lines of communication and also of expressing how each other feels about the situation. Okay, now I do see that there is one person here feeling a little bit regretful. They're going through a lot of changes right now. Whoever this individual is, they're going through a lot of chaos and conflict in their own individual lives. Okay, they're going through a lot of challenges and a lot of conflicting emotions as well. A lot of emotions coming up for this person, whether this is you or them. However, they are growing within the situation and they are changing. Okay, because look what you have here as your outcome energies, the World card. You guys closing out an old chapter and embracing a brand new one. So this could be a harmonious relationship that will be creating joy for you, or an opportunity that is going to create brand new joy for you. Okay, it could be a bond, you know, that is just kind of like it's going to feel free from attachments, free from power, free from control, from money, status. It's just kind of like you accepting it for what it is. So this is actually beautiful energy. However, there's going to be a decision that's going to need to be made this week. I do see that there's somebody here sitting in the energy of the Two of Swords. It's sort of like one foot in, one foot out. I'm not sure if I should do this. I'm not sure if I should do that. That sort of energy. However, this energy is a little bit self-sabotaging. Whoever this person is, they're only running away from what they truly desire. That's why this person is still a little bit undecided, okay? So let's see what the Six of Cups is all about for you. Okay, so look at these gorgeous energies showing up in your reading, none other than your own sign, the Star card. Big energy here for you this week. Somebody here, like I said, they have very deep emotions. Their emotions are growing for you day by day, or they're growing for this situation. Maybe if this is sort of like a brand new venture, your emotions are growing day by day. You're kind of becoming more exhilarated. You're like, yeah, I think that I could do it. I think that this is going to be something that's going to pan out in the end. Okay, so whoever this person is, I do sense that, what, you know, this is kind of like reminding me, you know, it's that energy that I'm picking up on when you're in a position of leadership, because this is a very kind of like leadership position that you are going to be in this week. Okay, you are going to be led to make some kind of a logical, courageous decision, okay? Someone here who has been trying to make a decision, I do sense that you're going to be pushed to kind of like the edge where you're finally going to make some kind of decision. However, there's going to be one other individual who's going to try to avoid this situation, avoid making this decision, or avoid a conversation, okay? Someone here kind of backing away, like trying not to really touch on that subject. You know, they kind of like skirt around that subject, that sort of thing. Why? Because they feel a little bit uncomfortable. They feel a little bit uncomfortable discussing this matter. It's also that energy where somebody here is a little bit self-conscious when they speak, when they express themselves, okay? And also this person has a little bit of trust issues, okay? But I do see here at the bottom of the deck, you're going to come into a lot of abundance, okay? Or maybe meeting a person that is very abundant. And so there is this kind of energy here where with the King of Pentacles, it's a very solid, grounded person, okay? It's a very, very serious, very quiet person. They aren't interested in security, but they're also dependable, okay? So whoever this person is, they may not show a lot of emotion on the outside, but they more so show it through action, okay? It's sort of like they work steadily towards their identified goals. Now, we're going to go into the extended reading to see who this other person is, because I do sense that there's going to be unstoppable energy picking up for you this week, okay? Whatever it is that has been stalling, that has been kind of like a little bit slow lately, it's going to pick up pace very, very quickly. A lot of communication coming in. It could be somebody here who, like I said, they're kind of like a little bit prideful. They don't really like to show too much, but this is going to be a very important week, because somebody here, after making some kind of a decision, there's going to be an opening up of a brand new chapter. Beautiful. And at the bottom of the deck, you guys, the Wheel of Fortune. Karma is working in your favor this week. Justice, okay? The universe executes a very precise order of justice, and right now the cycles of birth, death, and rebirth, that sort of thing, there's going to be an opportunity here to create good karma, okay? So this is all about timing. The perfect timing is going to show up for you this week. Now, let's go ahead and shuffle these cards to see what your question is. We're going to be getting a yes or no answer for you. So start thinking about what question you want to ask, okay? As I shuffle, you will be receiving a yes or no answer to your question. But if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell so that you are notified each and every single week that I post. I post each and every single week for every single zodiac sign. You guys, when you subscribe, it really helps me, and it helps the algorithm so that I can continue posting more readings like these for you guys on this platform. And if you have not yet given this video a thumbs up, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you all so much for your support. Okay, is this a yes or no? Drum roll. That is a definite yes. Wow, the Queen of Cups, and we did see the King of Cups as well. So divine counterparts indeed, you guys. This is, again, a soulmate union. It's growing into something more mature. It's growing. See these little kids? These little kids maybe met each other when they were younger, maybe in a past lifetime. And in this lifetime, you guys are recognizing each other's soul at a very deeper soul level, okay? So I do sense that this situation is growing. You are learning from your spiritual experiences. You are growing within this current situation. And I do sense that it is transcending to a higher spiritual realm. To a higher, it's sort of like a form of a higher spiritual awareness, where both of you guys are becoming more aware of each other's emotions for one another. It's deeper than just superficial, hi, how are you, I like you, that sort of thing, okay? So this is a definite yes for you this week. Now let's go ahead and see what the dice you have here, none other than, again, Capricorn, and also the number 6. So let's start off with the number 6. So 6s do represent coming into harmony. Like I said, whoever has been experiencing this Five of Cups energy, you know, going through a lot of chaos and conflict, a lot of changes in your lives. A lot of times I like to ask you guys, are you guys the creators of your own reality? Okay, if you guys answer yes to that, then yes, things are supposed to change, and they are changing for the better, closing out an old chapter and starting a brand new one. So the 6s represent here this situation coming into harmony. There's nothing here for you to worry about. And also the sign of Capricorn. Some of you guys might be dealing with the Capricorn, does not have to be, but this is you kind of like working towards your identified goals. Don't give up on something that you know you truly desire, you truly want. You know you've invested a lot of effort into this, just because you have not yet seen signs that it's going to work. I do sense that this is sort of like the day, or the week at least, the week for you to really focus in, zone in on what it is that you want, okay? With kind of like this energy of detachment, okay? Don't worry about how it's going to turn out. Try to let go and detach from it. Leave your past behind, your emotional kind of like, maybe trauma that you've had or whatever the case may be, because I do sense that the universe is going to enforce this situation into a perfect balance. Now, let's go ahead and grab one affirmation message. So let's get an affirmation message for you guys. One affirmation message. What do we have here for this week? I transcend stress of any kind and I live in peace. So if you have been going through a little bit of a stressful situation, remember that this is the week where it's about to move away from your energy. Okay, if there has been a cloud that has been hanging over you this week, believe that it is about to lift. Whether it's in the form of a fear, a doubt, it is going to start moving away from your energy. So remember, if you've already been comfortable in that state of anxiety, and once it moves out, don't replace it with another one to feel comfortable again. Okay, so this is sort of like, you communicating with your subconscious mind. So I transcend stress of any kind and I live in peace. Repeat that to yourself 10 times in the morning and 10 times before you go to bed at night. This is what I have for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you'd like to watch the extended reading, the link to the extended is down in the description box below. In the extended reading, I go into the other person's subconsciousness, their deeper thoughts about you, their deeper feelings for you, their next actions, moves, and more. And thank you all so much for all of your positive feedback for the extended reading. I am so glad that you guys are loving the extended reading so much. So again, if you want to check out the link to the extended, the link is down in the description box below. And if you'd like a personal psychic reading, you can click on my special link that's down in the description box below. I've partnered with Psychic Source so you can receive 10 minutes for only $10 and an additional 3 minutes free. And for psychic phone call readings, make sure to use my special number 26489. Again, that's 26489 when you make the call so that you can receive your discount. I'm not a reader on Psychic Source. However, you can choose from any psychic or tarot reader that you'd like by checking out their ratings and reviews. You can either chat with them online via my direct link or choose a phone call and use my special code 26489 to receive your discount offer. And check out my new video on my new channel, Maya Sky, where I guide you in an affirmations meditation to manifest anything you want. The link to my new channel, Maya Sky, and the new video is down in the description box below. And remember that your monthly readings have all been posted on the channel. You can check out the links to all those readings for the entire month down in the description box below. And check out GinaMoon.com and click on shop. I have new jewelry pieces, necklaces, rings, crystals, and much more for both men and women. Whether you seek protection from negative energies, want to manifest wealth and prosperity, or you desire to find true love, my Gina Moon online store has a perfect piece for you. It's the ultimate collection of spiritual jewelry designed to enhance your life and unlock the power of the universe. Each exquisite jewelry piece is handcrafted with love and infused with the positive energy of ancient wisdom. Wearing these pieces is like carrying your own personal sanctuary, offering you protection, attracting abundance, and inviting more love into your life. Imagine feeling a deep sense of peace as you go about your day, knowing that you are shielded, protected by the powerful energies of sacred gemstones. So experience the incredible transformation that comes with wearing these precious gems. Let its energy align with yours, empowering you to attract love, abundance, success, and more. So check out my online store at GinaMoon.com and click on shop. The direct link is down in the description box below.